Decanting aged wine, reviving the timeless elixir. As the camera pans over a dusty bottle, age graces wine with complex flavors, but also sediment. Decanting is the answer. Close-up of hands brushing the bottle. First, always handle your aged wine gently. Disturbing the sediment may muddle its enchanting flavors. Focus on the label. Next, observe the wine. Its color and clarity can guide your decanting process, a ritual as old as the wine itself. A corkscrew appears. Now, unseal the past. Open your wine carefully, respecting its years of silent maturing in the darkness. The decanter enters. Pour the wine slowly into the decanter, stopping when you spot the first sign of sediment. A clock ticks. Patience rewards. Allow the wine to breathe, awakening the dormant symphony of flavors. A glass fills. Finally, taste the magic. Decanting aged wine is a journey back in time, sip by sip.